behind me, you know.
I've just told you I'm not going to come back in, but you're not locking my friend in. That's not happening.
But if you say I can stay, no problem. Yeah?
No, so you have to go outside. No.
Tonight's footage comes from Romford Road, London, where two independent auditors confront what they believe is an illegal HMO housing asylum seekers. What begins as a calm investigation quickly escalates into a heated standoff with on-site security. Watch closely, because things are about to spiral out of control in seconds. Was this confrontation justified, or did both sides cross the line? Let's break it down.
Yeah, me and my colleague.
Which company are you? Can you come outside, please?
I'm from the TPP.
Hello.
Huh? From TPP.
Sorry. You can come inside.
Grab me like that, buddy.
Look, yeah.
What are you swearing for this? What are you swearing at? I can't just come and swear like that.
What's up, bro? Oh, I don't, just waiting to see what my colleague, just waiting to see what my colleague is doing.
So basically,
No, that's fine.
yeah, thank you. Yeah. So I've just come to do a documentary today.
Yeah.
So I'll document things, document hotels, etc.
Okay, I'm just waiting, listening to a conversation.
And so no, I'm talking to him.
You can't talk to him.
Well, move out the way then. We can't talk to who's standing in between us.
No, without your IDs, we can't.
Without that, you can't sit there.
Without your IDs,
Can't go.
no,
Wait, why are you doing this?
Okay, well, no, we know you're blocking me from recording you assaulting my
No,
friend.
you have to go outside. First, that's the police one.
Okay.
We need to talk outside. That's all.
I'm about to go out, but
We need to talk outside first.
yeah, I'm leaving.
Yeah, first. We need
waiting to make sure. He's just trying to attack my friend. He's just tried to attack my friend, so I just want to make sure he's not going to attack my friend. Can you stop putting your hands on me, please? I'm going to leave. Yeah, I'm going to leave.
Please, you have to go outside.
I'm going to leave, yeah?
Yeah, you have to go outside. This will not help you. Simple.
I was looking to speak to someone at reception.
No, this one. First, when you talk, it's not going to sleep, so you have to go outside.
That's what I'm saying to you.
Okay.
And you're not allowed to sit here.
No problem.
Okay, let's go.
You have to go outside. Simple.
Can you just please put your hands
No,
down,
we
mate?
need to go outside first. You come in Israel without anything.
I'm not yelling, I'm not just like saying to you like,
So please, you have to go outside, please.
Here's where tension starts simmering. The auditors identify themselves as part of a documentary project, but the security staff immediately grows defensive. Now, from a legal standpoint, they can ask someone to leave private property, but the auditors aren't technically breaking the law until they refuse. You'll notice body language plays a big part here. Both men squaring up, voices rising, and the word attack thrown around. This is where good de-escalation training should kick in, but it doesn't.
Yeah, I'm just. So basically, what happened is,
Yeah.
I followed the coach here the other night here, in the dead of night here, and it was dropping illegal immigrants off. Invaders, like,
We need to
invaders.
go outside.
And I followed it to here.
open the
And I
door.
just wanted to have a little look, do you know what I mean?
Open the door, Castle, get out of it.
New washing machine.
Hold on,
We have to go first.
Yeah, I've just told you I'm going to leave.
Okay, go.
Go on, you go, follow it. I don't want you behind me.
We need to follow us.
I'm just having a look at what's on the public notice
You
board.
know what I mean?
We need to talk outside. This kid needs to talk outside.
Look, I'm going to follow you, do you know what I mean?
Don't go up behind him.
Why do you do that?
I'm going out, so I don't want you behind me.
Can you please stop touching me, bro?
No, we should.
Yeah, just don't need to touch me. I just told you I'm leaving. I'm waiting for my colleague and then we're leaving. I've just watched him nearly be attacked.
Yeah, but I'm not attacking you. Because you come inside.
He's just said he doesn't want you behind him. You just tried to attack him. Why is he getting on the I just want to make sure my colleague just pushed him over. Is there anyone at reception I can speak
Yeah, there
to?
is somebody.
We need to go outside, please.
Alright.
We need to go outside.
I'm out.
Then we talk.
I'm out. I'm just checking on my colleague.
Because you stay here.
Okay, so let me just check. This is why the camera's on to make sure no one gets assaulted.
It doesn't matter about it. You have to.
Okay. Right, stop. I don't want to hug. So I ain't trying to hug.
Just we need to go outside, please.
Yeah, and I'm leaving.
Yeah, you have to leave.
Let's just make sure my colleague's safe. I just want to make sure my colleague's safe.
He has to hold.
It's quite like the camera security.
So I think it's just
You have to go outside, please.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'm out. Let me just, I'm out. I'm
Okay.
just checking on my colleague, yeah?
Yeah, because you stay here.
Okay, so let me just check. This is why the camera's on, to make sure no one gets
It
assaulted.
doesn't matter, but you have to
Okay.
go outside. Yeah. We need to.
I'm coming to squad.
Minutes.
I've left.
Because you stay
No,
here.
you're not locking my friend in.
I'm not locking, but
No,
you
no,
have to
no,
stay
no,
there.
no,
You
no.
have to stay there.
I'll
don't
stay
care who
here.
you are. I
I'm
don't
not going to
care.
come back in.
Yeah.
I'm not going to come back in. I've just told you I'm not going to come back in.
I don't want you behind me, you know.
I've just told you I'm not going to come back in. But you're not locking my friend in. That's not happening.
But if you say I can stay, no problem, yeah?
But it's better you have to outside.
No, I don't have to do it, fam.
Yeah.
Like I said, I've left.
Yeah, you have
Yeah.
to stay there.
I'm going to. I've just told you I'm not coming back in. Okay? I'll just give you my word that I'm not going to come back in the building.
Okay.
Okay? Just don't shut in my car, innit?
Call him the police. Call him here.
What are you doing?
You have to go outside, brother. No, so you have to go outside. No, go outside.
Whoa!
I'm outside.
Don't be assaulting no one.
What are you gonna do? I'm here.
Get the fuck outside,
I'm
man.
here. Come into my space and I'll hit you. Come into my space, I'll hit you. I'm outside.
He's
Come into
just
my
gone
space, I'll hit you.
outside.
Outside, man.
I'll hit you.
Who the fuck are you?
Yeah?
Who the fuck are
I
you?
tell you, come into my space, I'll show you.
Get the fuck outside,
Come into
man.
my space, I'll show you.
No, show me then.
Come on, here.
Show me then.
Come into my space, I'll show you. Come here into my space and I'll show you. This.
I say I'll show you.
Come on, I'll show you.
Fuck outside, man.
Not a problem. Not a problem. I'll sit you down on your ass, this.
Close the door, Ziggy. Close the door.
I'll sit you down on the floor. Yeah, I'm scared of you.
Is
You're a
there?
gang member.
So there's no one at reception we can speak. Are you working on reception? No.
You think I'm gonna be scared of you, a little gang member?
I don't fucking care.
What are you
man.
gonna
I
do?
don't fucking.
You ain't gonna do fuck all this.
I don't know you.
Exactly.
Fuck outside then.
I'm outside.
Okay.
I'm here.
You're gonna stand ahead.
Right in front of you. Right in front of you. What are you gonna do? You gonna do fuck all?
Hey. You will see.
Oh, nasty.
Okay.
I'm here.
How you see that?
Yeah, I'm here, kid.
Come inside then. Then you will see me, my face, man. My real face.
I've got your real face.
Okay.
Yeah, don't worry about that.
Okay.
You're on camera, kid.
I don't care.
Yeah, I know you don't care.
I don't care.
I know you don't give a shit.
Okay.
You don't care, I know. Little gang member, innit? One of these ones, body, that carry knives.
You're not coming
Yeah?
inside. That's what I'm gonna say to
I've
you.
been inside. Walk straight in. That shows you how good of a security man you are, doesn't it? Walk straight in, walked in. There we go.
You know we only wanted to speak to reception.
This is the moment everything explodes. Verbal warnings give way to threats, profanity, and posturing. You can hear both men challenging each other to come into my space. At this stage, officers or trained mediators would normally intervene or separate the parties. But here, there's no oversight, just raw emotion. You have to ask, who's really in control here? The security guard protecting the premises, or the camera fueling confrontation?
Reception.
You're not allowed to come here.
Why?
You're not welcome here, man.
He was trying to have a conversation with us.
You're not welcome.
You're standing.
Otherwise not.
Oh yeah, I've got ID.
Mate, are you, listen, if you're in charge here and these are the type of security people you've got guarding asylum seekers, violent individuals like this, something needs to be checked up on, doesn't it? Because if that's the sort of individual you've got guarding vulnerable people, then I'm sorry, he needs to be checked out, doesn't he? So I think what I shall do is, I think I shall make an actual complaint actually. Yeah?
And I was going to show you
Because you're a
ID.
witness to it.
He's not witness.
He did, he seen everything.
He's not witness here.
Look at the way he's looking, mate. He knows you're in the wrong,
man.
Giz.
He's coming
He
right.
knows you're in the wrong.
Let's move outside.
You little fat, I'm outside.
Okay.
I'm right here, Giz.
Hey.
And what are you going to do?
I'm not doing nothing.
No, you ain't going to do fuck all. You ain't got the balls to. You ain't got a big enough set of balls, that's why. Any day, Giz. I can take the glasses off and stare all day long. Any day of the week. Because you think they look like you is going to be able
So
to...
that just went a bit west there. I tried to speak to reception.
So there you go. This is what happens. Come to government-funded buildings where we pay you.
You pay me.
Yeah. Yeah, of course. This is a government-funded building, taxpayer-funded. Yeah, we're all taxpayers, aren't we? Yeah, that's it. Your friends are going to see you. Yeah, they're going to say, look at you, you get pushed around by the AY show.
I push you, man.
Yeah, push no one.
Yeah.
No, man.
I push you.
I don't think
Already
so.
I did.
Did you?
I did.
You pushed me, innit?
Yeah.
You attacked me, innit?
I did that.
You
did just
You
attack
attacked
him.
me, innit?
I did that.
Remember what you said on camera, yeah? You attacked me, yeah? You pushed me.
You did, you just
Yeah, you
attacked
pushed
him.
me. He's actually admitted to crime.
I did that.
Yeah?
This is why I said to you I'd step out, but I didn't want the door to close because I was worried that that was going to happen.
Why you coming inside?
Pardon?
Mate, I'll
Because
push
I
the
wanted to
buzzer.
speak to somebody at reception.
Okay, I'll push the buzzer.
Pardon?
Come in.
We have to speak first. Why
No, I
you
didn't
coming
push you
inside?
at all. That's
Because I
not
wanted
my-
to speak to reception.
That's not allowed. This is
camera's on,
gravity. Why you
dude.
coming inside?
Why am I not
We
allowed?
go around the corner. Is that what you want to do? I can do that if you wanted.
What?
Would you say turn the camera?
Listen closely. The guard admits to pushing the auditor. That's technically an assault under UK law, even if no injury occurs. For the auditors, that's a powerful on-camera moment. It validates their claim of being attacked. But from a professional standpoint, this entire exchange could have been avoided if clear boundaries were set earlier. Do you think the auditors provoked this, or was the guard simply out of line?
Off, we go around the corner.
No, I didn't say nothing.
Oh, okay, that's what I thought you said.
I didn't say
Because if you
nothing.
did, I can do that.
I didn't say nothing.
Okay, no problem, yeah? Because I'm down for that, yeah? Like that. Click with my finger. Yeah? And we're not going to run around with weapons.
So
like you.
who would I have to contact to speak to the person that runs this building?
Forest Hotel.
Do you?
It's not on there.
You don't have reception here.
27.
So who would I have to contact to speak to the
You're not
person?
welcome here.
Pardon?
You're not welcome here, man.
I'm not welcome here.
Thank you.
Okay, so can I speak to the person who owns the building so I can ask them?
No.
Why not?
I said no.
Yeah, I know you said no, but why not?
You know, why did you ask me another question, man? I say no, no. That's it.
Okay. So I'm not welcome here. What about the people in here? The people living in here, are they welcome?
Like you say, bolt down the road.
Huh?
No comment.
So I'm not welcome.
Used to have both got
How long has this been a
licenses on
HMO
display.
for?
Okay. Take a picture if you
But I
want.
don't think that's you.
Take a picture if you
It
want.
doesn't look like you, that picture. But
Actually, it doesn't.
it doesn't.
I don't know why it's so
you
you look younger.
Yeah,
Trying to
you
have a
look
normal
a bit
conversation.
younger.
In person.
Told you I'm the hotel investigator.
I know you don't
Told
have
you
to, I'm
this.
just asking, innit? You don't have to answer. That's why I wanted reception. It's not your job.
So to security. Security is very lax. Yeah, just walk straight in. Let us go in, really, to be fair. Never even asked us to leave. And it's all on camera. And then you start pushing. So technically, that's assault.
I thought you were letting us in so we could...
Here the narrative shifts. The auditor raises questions about immigration, housing, and taxpayer funding, clearly blending activism with auditing. Whether you agree or not, this moment captures the blurred line between journalism and agitation. It's a reminder that bodycam footage doesn't just show actions. It exposes beliefs, biases, and public frustration. How much of this is about rights, and how much is about politics?
speak to reception.
We can't book a room? Oh yeah, he says we're not welcome, eh? I wonder why. Maybe skin colour's not right for us?
Oh, shit.
Is that why? Is that why? Maybe skin colour is not right for me. I'm not allowed in. Correct or not correct? Nothing to say? No, I don't think so. It's alright. So this is where this is the first drop that night with the coach. This was the first drop.
So this is one of the places that AYC coaches dropping off people.
Right. One of them, in Calais. Same jacket. In Calais, yeah. And then I've got photographs of him getting off the dinghy at Dover. Straight, yeah, honestly. Do you know what? Listen, believe it or not, I don't care. I followed the coach. I saw him get on the coach at Britannia on Saturday, was it Friday night? Friday night it was, yeah? And they dropped two off here. I followed it to Chelmsford. You know when I followed it to Chelmsford, it was into brand new apartments. Brand new apartments. I seen the guy going into one of these apartments. I was like, wow, crazy. So you're telling me that these people can enter the country illegally, and then within 2 days, they're actually in a brand spanking new one-bedroom apartment. with ensuite bathrooms and stuff, like in a proper apartment. Do you think that's right?
Why do you tell me that?
I'm just saying to you, do you think that's right?
Why do you tell me that?
Do you think it's right?
I don't care.
You don't care, do you? No, that's the problem.
Don't
you see.
tell me that.
Too many people like you in the country. You don't care. You will care, but it's too late. And you're fucked. You will care then. That's the issue. Just happy just to take the dough, innit? You don't care where the money's coming from.
Don't tell me nothing.
I do tell you. I tell you the truth. That's what I tell.
I'm not believing.
I spread the truth. Yeah? That's what I do. That's what my channel is about, telling the truth, showing the public exactly what goes on. Showing them people like you that think you're tough. But really, you're a little faggot. Really, to be honest with you. Maybe in a little group, 6 or 7 of your little mates come with your knives or something. Yeah, maybe you might be a little bit tough. But you know, out there on that bit of pavement, your little arse to go like that. And you're a run, like Usain Bolt down the road.
How long has this been a HMO for?
I don't think they know.
I don't know why you're so amusing, bro. I'm just trying to have a normal conversation.
I don't need your confirmation, man. I don't need it.
I know you don't have to. I'm just asking, innit? You don't have to answer. That's why I wanted reception. It's not your job to anyway, obviously. So you probably ain't going to be able to tell me what I want to know anyway.
Don't ask me that.
But that's exactly why I didn't want you to close that door, because I was worried that he was going to push him. Sound anyway, lads.
Have a good day.
So this is 227 on I don't know what road it is. Try and find the road. AY and know exactly where we are in a minute. AY and know. Whereabouts are we? Romford Road. Romford Road, London. And as you see, just gone and attacked AY there. Which is why I weren't willing to let him shut the door, because I knew what he wanted to do. He wanted to shut the door so that they could get hands on with AY. They only wanted one of us in there so that they could shut AY in by himself with 2 people and obviously try and attack him, which is what ended up happening in it anyway. So yeah, I'm going to leave this one here. That's another HMO on Romford Road in London, and this is another one with Bear Britain Audits, featuring with AY. Long time coming this is. We've obviously done a few things at protests together. Well, not together, but we've been at the same protest. Now we've done a couple of HMOs and hotels together. So yeah, leave your likes, share it, and if it's first time on the channel, do subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next one. Much love, God bless, and as always, oh, probably an illegal driver. Peace out, guys. Peace out.